In this video, I'll be making wooden gymnastic rings. So I'll be using a 2-inch by 1-foot board for one of the rings and 3/4 inch plywood for the other ring. First, you need to draw 2 circles on your piece of wood. So I'm using a large container and a small bucket. You can also use a paint can or whatever else you have that's a circle. It helps to draw the biggest one first, because then when you go to draw the smaller one, you can line it up in the middle. Unless you have a clear container, then it should be okay. And that's how it should look when you're done. Now I'm going to start cutting it out with the jigsaw. Okay, now I just need to cut the middle. To start the middle, I'm going to need to drill a hole first. This is only going to be half of the one ring. I need to make 2 of these and then I can glue them together. Okay, now I need to glue these 2 pieces together to make it thicker. Now I just need to clamp it. While the plywood one is drying, I'll cut the other one out of this. So now that this ring's cut and this one's dry, I'll use a rasp to take it down to a rough ring. Now we have the rough shape. As you can see, I did some more with the rasp off camera. Now I just need to sand it. For the inside, I'll be using a 120 grit shop roll. Now that I finished sanding the inside, I'll use 80 grit sandpaper for the outside. Now that both rings are completed, we just need something to hook them up. I got these two tie-down straps on eBay for about $4 each. Now we can test them out. Now that they're set up, I'll try doing some dips on them.
Well, so far they didn't break.
Yeah, they work. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.